Hello, I am Dr. Biswa and I am waiting for my train to Gunupur. Okay, then I'll go to Ragada. So after a long time actually I am going for a train journey and I'm really excited about it, but in a winter morning I am just mupura thondare tharuchi because train asini 1.5 ghanta late achi as usual. Not very surprised. The train once arrives I'll start. I think Kottagre Pons sarlani. So today I'm going to join also, so very excited, but this delay is slowly killing that excitement. Okay, but it's a very beautiful morning and very chill and winter morning, so I'll give you next update soon. I am waiting at the station, Bhubaneswar station. It's very cold. Train pura delay अछि. Lot of delay. So I'm just waiting. Hopefully I will arrive in time. Okay, I'm moving to platform number 5 where train is coming. So it will lift Kamokoni. 1 second. Finally the train has arrived after a long wait. ए बैग गुड़ा भी बोर हो गले वेट करी करी कौन करिया कहला. Now finally I am in front of my buggy. The journey starts here. Okay, I think I will enjoy the journey. After all, it's cold. I'm going to eat a lot of food and hopefully it will reach soon. Okay, so I'm inside the train, sleeping. Okay, some people have woke up and some of them have gone to have their breakfast. बहुत भोक लगुला बट थैंकफुली मम्मी गोटे पैकेट दे देथिला परोटा और कोबी भजा. So I just had it and maybe I'll take a rest and enjoy the outside view. So now I'm ready to go to the office and I came with jeans but now I'm in formals, proper formal. Finally, I have arrived in Gunpur, and the station is there. You can see the station, and the train has halted. And this is the last station. So I will now move to the Raigada, okay, which is my destination. So I am on my way to Raigada. ତେଣୁ ରାୟଗଡ଼ା को ମୁଁ ବାହାରି ଗଲିଣି। ହୋପଫୁଲି 1.5 ଘଣ୍ଟା ଭିତରେ ପହଞ୍ଚିଯିବି। ଆଉ ରାସ୍ତା ଭଲ ଅଛି, ଆଉ ପାଗ ବି ବହୁତ ସୁନ୍ଦର ହେଇଛି ଗୁଣପୁରରେ। तुला चाष होती तेणु आई थिंक एठू तुला निश्चित रूपे एक्सपोर्ट हो तुला बगीचा चारिआडे खाली तुला।